but on the beach you will be walking with me, and I'll find him again. I know he'll return to me because I have faith and I have belief. And I know, Mary, Mother of God, that you'll be with me, walking at my side, and God on the other side special.
Mum, how many times do I have to tell you, don't leave the gas on after you've used the oven? Hello? Oh, hiya. Yeah, not bad, just putting the washing on. Yeah, she's alright. You know, the usual. She's just going for her walk now. Can you hang on a sec? Be back for lunch at 1, okay? I'm not hanging around all afternoon. Yeah, she just left. Not so good. She's still looking. What? Have a seat, love. Quick, get me a towel. Martha? What's going on? News, please. I know it's in here somewhere. Martha! It always was his favourite. Martha, please tell me what's going on. Have you got me that towel yet? Come on, we'll get you some warm clothes. Martha! Martha! Go and get some tea. I'm calling for help.
Don't you recognise me? It's me, Martha, your wife.
Martha? Who is this man?
It's your father, Susan.
Dinner's ready.
Look at you, old scruff bag. You haven't changed a bit. Take your seat. Bless us, O Lord, in these thy gifts, which we are about to receive from thy bounty. Through Christ our Lord. Amen. What's the matter, love? You haven't lost your appetite, have you? You know your father once finished off a whole shepherd's pie. It was supposed to last us all weekend.
He's not my father!
It's been very difficult for her, you know. She'd lost hope, thinking you drowned out there. It was only my faith kept me going. I'll have a word with her.
Who's the dad in there, Julia? I don't know. He just stands there. He just phone the police. What are they going to do with Mum? She's losing it, Julia.
I've been praying so long for your father's return, and now he's finally here. All you can do is push him away from me. Why do you try to forget him? He's your father. He loves you, Susan.
The man sitting at the table is not my father. My father is dead.
How can you be so sure? You burnt all his pictures. You were too young to remember.
Remember what? That he left his little girl to care for my mother? I'm like a bloody prisoner in this house. I care for you day and night. And you don't even notice I'm here. That's not Dad in there, Mum. Please listen to me before you end up getting hurt. to get going. My check-in's at 3. Bye, Mum. Bye. Enjoy yourself.